y'all. Good morning. It is Vlogmas day 6. It is 19 days until Santa. I am 41 and I don't care. I will be ready for Santa till the day I die. I am looking at about 6:15 this morning right now. I've been up almost an hour. I get up at 5:20 Monday through Friday. Like I said, I start my day with coffee. My daughter is in the shower. Now I will chase her around towards the bus stop and then get back to my day. So, I don't have any presents or anything to wrap today, but I'm working on gift ideas. It's a series I'm doing here on YouTube. I found these at Dollar General, and they were a part of a haul video I did a while back, and I don't even think I can link it because I don't remember what else I got with it, so bear with me. But Dollar General, 4 blank books, and I want to say I paid like $4 for this, maybe $5. I want to know if we can sub them. This image is from Instagram, and just one of the great kawaii things that I had saved along the way that I knew I'd want to do something with for her eventually, so I'm glad I get to. I hope this works. So there's 4 in here. I'll do this one as a test, and then if it goes well, we'll get it in the gift guide series. I have 2 minutes till I need to do her hair. My morning is all about the minutes. We watch the minutes so no one runs out or gets late. It's not perfect, but it worked. I need more pressure. I'm so excited. Happy Vlogmas. I hope everybody has a really beautiful Tuesday. I know it's not great, but we are going to get there, y'all. This is why we test.